I'm making my Kung Pao chicken. It's nutty and a little spicy, and it comes together really quickly. To start, I'm gonna do a quick marinade with my chicken. I have 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thigh here that's been chopped into bite-sized pieces. For the marinade, I'm gonna combine 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and ultimately, this is gonna thicken the sauce and make it nice and glossy. A tablespoon of soy sauce, and then a tablespoon of rice vinegar. And the acidity from the vinegar is gonna tenderize the meat. We'll whisk this together, and then pour it right over the chicken. I'll give it a toss, and I'll just let it sit aside while I put together my stir-fry sauce. This sauce is really flavorful. It's pretty salty, which I love, and it's super simple. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, which is sweet and a little fermenty. It's one of my favorite ingredients. A teaspoon of sugar, and then I'll grate in 2 cloves of garlic, and I'll grate in my ginger, and I'll add some citrusy notes. Beautiful. I'll whisk this together. My sauce and my chicken are prepped. I'll get going on my veggies now. I like to get all of my veggie chopping out of the way before I start cooking because with stir fry, once things hit the pan, they go fast. I'm gonna chop up a red bell pepper. I'll get some nice 1-inch pieces. It's a lot of nice color. Some green beans. I'll cut these into thirds. And some scallions. I'll add most of them to the veggies, but I'm gonna reserve some of the greens to garnish on top. And I'm cutting it on a bias because we're getting fancy. And that's it. Everything's prepped now. I'm gonna get cooking. I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil to my big skillet, and it's a hot skillet. It's what you need for stir fry. And then I'll add my chicken. It's Christmas Eve, and I'm so excited. We are carrying on our time-honored tradition of feasting on Chinese food to celebrate. I'm ready to add my veggies. I'll dump all of them right in. I'll cook the veggies until they're crisp tender, just a few minutes, and then I'll grab my peanuts and Szechuan peppercorns. Szechuan peppercorn is fragrant and a little lemony, and I can always tell that I'm eating something with it in it because it makes your mouth kind of tingly in a really cool way. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon. If you don't have this, you can leave it out or add loads of black pepper. And then 1/2 cup of roasted peanuts, which are signature Kung Pao. They add that delicious, crunchy nuttiness. And then a couple of dried red chili peppers for heat. This is looking delicious. I'm gonna add the sauce now and just simmer it until it thickens. Oh, this smells so good. I'm gonna plate it up. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so hungry. I'm gonna garnish it with some scallions and a few more crunchy peanuts. Okay, I'm gonna taste. I'm really getting that ginger. This is so flavorful. Yum.